Hello folks and welcome to this week's Sleeping Tunes on the Saturday the 21st of March. I hope everybody's keeping really well. I was meant to be in Denmark on tour, on a solo tour, since Thursday, I think. After I came back from a wonderful few days in Ireland with the Mike McGoldrick Quartet, finishing off with a solo gig on St Patrick's Day in Belfast. Unfortunately, for those of you that know me, I have a condition called atrial flutter, which is a arrhythmia-related condition of the heart. I had it since 2019 in the lockdown, when it put me in hospital for about a week here in Scotland, in Perth. They were amazing. And, you know, it's put me in about 3 or 4 times, I guess, since then. Touch wood. But anyway, last week before the trip with Mike, I had a bit of a weird arrhythmia, which showed up on one of the ECGs. And they had to check it out, and they didn't want me. It was just best that I wasn't really travelling abroad until my medication. They get it, the bisoprolol. Right. So apologies to anyone in Denmark. I will be back for definite. But anyway, on with the music. I'm going to start off tonight with a couple of classic tunes from the fantastic album Dermot Byrne did many years ago live. Hi, John Melrose is in Belfast. He's just joined us. I'm also banned from alcohol for the foreseeable future because of the atrial flutter. So I'm on the old 0.64. Jesus Christ, that sounded terrible. 64. Yeah, Jesus. Anyway, Sláinte. So, I'll start off with this tune called Welcome Home, Grania, which I learned from my dear friend Dermot Byrne. And of course, Steve Cooney and Trevor Hutchison were on the album. I couldn't get them for this. Couldn't afford it. Here we go. Welcome Home, Grania, which I learned from my great friend Dermot Byrne. Right, back to guitar for a little bit. Paul Bryan, great to see you, Paul. So I hope everybody's well, folks. It's always an honour to play some music for you and have a bit of fun on here on the old Facebook. let's see now. I'll get back to some of the comments. Yes. Where are we? Hi, Tim. Oddfellows. Jamie and the Oddfellows. Yes. Down in Toddington. Yeah. Great to see you, Jamie. Hello to everybody there in the Oddfellows. Karen, Paul Bryan, John Melrose is there. Northern Germany. Karen and Carsten. Oh, the burner. Oh, Jesus. Dermot was watching. Dermot, I need to do one with you and Cooney in Teelan. And I want to play the bass. Well, Jesus, I don't know if I'll play anything. I'll be watching you maestros. Dermot, great to see you. I hope that was okay, Dermot. I was doing the little version of Welcome Home Grania. Paul Bryan. Okay, so let's do a little. Let's have a bit of fun. A little bit of gypsy jazz. Here's a new one. I say a new one. It's a new one for me. We'll see how we get on. Got the trusty Spanish guitar now tonight. Play this for John Duffield in Stevington. John's there as well. So here we go. Big hello to you, everybody in Stevington, and yeah, a little bit of Django. bit of Daphne there. Great to see you, Jerry. And yeah, Jesus Burner, apologies for the mistakes. We have to play that sometime together, of course. It's great to see everybody. I hope everybody is doing well in these crazy times. I've lost my harmonium, can you help? Indeed I can, sir. Should we give it, John, shall I try a bit of the found harmonium? Oh my God. Lou Heap, great to see you, Lou. Say hello to Steve and Joe and everybody there. There, Lou. Jonathan Norton, the Hotbox. I love that gig, Jonathan. I had such a great time there. Geez, we really did. And there was a wonderful fiddle player. Do you remember, Jonathan? Let's play a tune for John. Josephine, who are you? Conasatan to Jose. I'd love to see you all soon. Alistair Cassidy, Maestro Cassidy, is in Glasgow or perhaps somewhere in the Highlands in his beautiful van, which I've been admiring. You have to watch that van, Alistair, because I've got my eyes on you. I love that van. Great to see you, Alistair. Great to see you. Amar in Switzerland. Let's play the old found harmonium. It's quite early for this now, John, but I'll do it for you. This is a tune, of course, that I originally learned from the playing of the fantastic Sharon Shannon. And she was the first person I ever heard play this tune. Actually, no, I lie. Jackie Daly, just before Sharon Patrick Street recorded it as well. The wonderful Jackie Daly. But Sharon's version was a big. Thank you, Hillary. Thank you so much. Yeah, Jose, great to see you. Who are you? Jackie Daly. Yeah. I'm so sorry, Karen. I am so sorry about Denmark. I will be back for sure. Once we get this ticker sorted. I was able to go to Ireland because it's not too far. Like it's half an hour. Yeah. So I'm so sorry, Karen. I hope you got a refund on. Anyway, I'll try and bring Dermot Byrne when I go back, or maybe Alistair Cassidy. Glasgow indeed. Yeah, so yes, anyway, this tune, the music for found harmonium, it was written by the late great Simon Jeffs, who was a wonderful musician and the leader and founder of the Penguin Cafe Orchestra. I was lucky enough to record and play with Jeffrey Richardson, who's also a founder member. And I'll try this, yeah, Finley Emmers, yeah, of course. Anyways, here we go. For John Duffield, the music for found harmonium. I'll probably do the arty version if I can. I'm banned from alcohol, folks. I'm on the 0. It's good, I tell you, it's good. Soissons 64. Okay, here we go. time. Jim O'Shea, Billy Clark, yeah, for you, Sylvia Roseby, yeah, lovely, Chris White, thank you, Chris, Emil, I made a bit of a mistake with the loop. Artie used to do this wonderful, this kind of a, oh, I can't do it, it's so great. So the music for a found harmonium, slightly shorter version there. I hope it was okay, John. Yeah. Anyway, great to see so many folks, some new faces. Okay, time for a little, thanks, John. Time for a little tune for a very original supporter of the show and a great friend, Lou Heap. Play a tune for Lou, and let's see now. Might do a Phil Cunningham tune. Yeah, let's do a Phil Cunningham tune. Let's do one of his classics. Well, they're all classics, of course, with Phil, but what's everybody drinking tonight? Is anyone on the zero? Let's do a tune of Phil's called Farewell to Govern, sometimes called The Ancient Mariner. Water, Guinness, Rosie and Bob. Play this for Rosie and Bob too. Flower, lovely. Alison, lovely. Zero, same as me, John. Hey, John. If you just joined, you're very welcome. Fulcher. This is a tune by the great Phil Cunningham called Farewell to Govern. by the fantastic Mr. Phil Cunningham there, yeah, I just love I love Phil's music so much, as you probably know, as so many of you do as well. Quick tune up. We tune because we care. That's what JP Cormier says. Yeah, okay, so let's see now. Good evening from Snowy Cape Breton. Christine McGilligan, Palestine Cola. Yeah, Christine, I was in Belfast just a couple of days ago with Mike McGoldrick, and I had the Palestine Cola at the Tradfest, and it was absolutely fantastic. Yes, Launcher, it really was. And if you can ever buy it, folks, please do buy that Palestine Cola. It's really fantastic, and I think it's going to a great cause. Thanks, Rosie and Bob. Finley's mac and cheese, very nice, very, very nice. Thanks, Lou. Thanks a million. Rosemary Mackay, Sarah Wilson. Hiya, Sarah. How are you doing? Great to see you. I hope you're keeping well, Sarah, in Glasgow, I think. Okay, quick tune up and any crazy requests? I'm trying to play some new stuff tonight. You're probably all driven mad by some of my old classics, but I did do a new one so far. I did the Django one. Oh yes, I know what I'm going to do. A Finnish tune. Ryan in Newfoundland. Great to see you, Ryan. Yes, I've got the perfect one for you. Folks, this is a tune that I learned from... I have to thank Karen Tweed for this tune, actually, because Karen introduced me to the maestro of Finnish accordion, Maria Kalamaneri. I can never say her name right, but you'll know who I mean. If you're into Finnish music, you'll know exactly who I mean. Her band was called Vatina. I have to pronounce it, I can't remember. Anyway, she's incredible. And if you go on YouTube, Dermot, I'm pretty sure you'd know Maria. She's amazing. Amazing sort of continental chromatic, you know, the sort of 7-8 row accordion. And she's phenomenal. Hi to Jill in Churnside, the Scottish borders. Lovely part of the world, Jill. And Sean McManus. Love Karen Tweed. Yeah, she's fantastic. Mary Dewan in Halifax. Yes. The zeros thing is good. It's good. And you can drink and drive. Oh, jeez, I never said it. Anyway, a lot of John Melrose, Fields of Gold. That's a great idea, John. I shall try and keep a little note of these. We've got Emma's tune, Fields of Gold, from John. Now, first of all, I'll do this Finnish tune. So this is called Ellen Polka. And I play this, of course, I recorded this with the great Natalie McMaster and Danelle Leahy on an album they did about 10 years ago that was produced by none other than the man who produced Pink Floyd's album The Wall, which was quite an experience. Yeah, he was the most amazing man. Yeah, Lou who knows who I mean. And so this is, she's amazing, Pippa. She's incredible. I think she's probably the best in that style, you know. And this is called the Ellen Polka, anyway. And then I shall remember the producer's name. My memory is so bad. Okay, so here we go. Ellen Polka. Sonia John. Alison, lovely. I'm Ruffrin. I'm just over in Dunning. Not far from you at all, Alison. Great to see you. That's a great tune, folks, isn't it? It really is. Oh, Lord. Jennifer Parry Davies, great to see you, Jennifer. Ryan Baker, thanks a million. Karen, some jigs. We had a request for some jigs there from Sean, so I shall play you some jigs, Sean. And let's see, I was listening the other day. You must always be in the groove, Tim. Oh, Lord. Thank you, Richmond. I hope I was. Jesus, I don't know. National Driving School, amazing. Thank you so much, folks, for your kind comments. Okay, so let's see now. There's a couple of Jill Halesworth. Junior Davey, Junior in Sligo. Great to see you, Junior. Thank you so much for tuning in, sir. We shall have to get a tune someday when I'm down with the burner in your part of the world, Junior. I would love that. I love your playing. Fantastic baron playing. Finley Clark. Somebody had asked for Bovagli's Played, which I haven't played for a long time, but I could try and do it. But we had some jigs from Sean. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten the requests, folks. Do you know Damo Slip Jigs? Damo Slip Jigs. I don't know that. I mean, I might know it. If you could tell us the name of them, like Damo Slip Jigs. Damo as in Damien Mullane. Oh God, I'd have to hear it. But I tell you what I will play, Sean. I tell you what I will play is a couple of Jackie Daly jigs. I was listening again, folks, to the wonderful Patrick Street, and I think so many people nowadays overlook the impact that Jackie Daly has on the folk scene, and not just in Ireland, but in England as well. The Patrick Street used to tour in England an awful lot, and Scotland. But there's a great jig I was playing the other day. Yes. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah, we'll try these. We'll try these jigs for you, Sean. They're not quite Damon's ones, but you'll like them, I hope. Brian McDade. a really old jig from I think from the playing of Kevin Burke. I think Jackie learned it from Kevin, and oh my god, yeah, Sean, I'm sorry I couldn't do Damon's jigs. I'll have to learn them. I think I know the ones you mean. I think. Oh Lord, Jackie Daly, up the box. Yes, Bernadette Collier, Jackie Daly. I saw him and Seamus Cray. Chris Taylor. Chris, great to see you, and I'm a great musical legend in my home county of Kent. Now, I'll play you some more jigs in a little while when I get my breath back. Dickon Whitehead. Dickon, I haven't seen you for ages. Great to see you, sir. Fergie McIver. Okay, we had a few requests for we had a request for Bovugly's Played. Jesus. I'll have to see if I can still play it. I hope I can still play this. So this is a gorgeous tune from the pen of Scott Skinner, I think. I think this is Scott Skinner. Let me just see. Just do one thing. Okay, sorry, folks. A little message there for my little one who's attempting to pour her bedtime milk, or beyond bedtime milk. 13-year-olds, oh my god. Okay, so Bovugly's Played. Yeah, we'll try this. Da da. I hope that was okay for whoever. I'm so sorry, my memory is so bad. I'm trying to remember who requested that. And it was Sheila. Thanks a million for. Had the pleasure of listening to the Open High School playing Sleeping Tie tunes yesterday. Can you play Sleeping Tie yesterday? Masterful as always. Enjoyed our brief interaction, Brendan. It was great to see you really great to see you in Monaghan. It really was. We had such a great gig there. So, folks, that was but Begley's played. I think it was. I hope that was the right tune. I really hope so. Rosie and Bob are back on there. Sonia and John are up in the Arctic Circle, I believe. I'm going to play. Let's see now. Play something a little faster here. Something a little crazy. Play something for Sean as well. He wanted something on the box, so I played something. Derek, great to see you. There's at least two Limerick people watching tonight. There's Derek Hickey and Sheila Whelan, both in County Limerick. Great to see you, Derek. The maestro. I have to get a tune with you and Berna soon, Derek. Okay, so let's see. What have we not played yet? Yeah, I think we maybe do Raven. Sorry, let's see now, folks. Play a tune for Derek Hickey, and this is a little. This is a beautiful tune, actually. It's a tune that I learned from. Fantastic guitarist Birelli Legren. This is just for you, Derek. It's called Ballad Irlandaise. wonderful piece of music by the great guitarist Begley Legren. As for Derek Hickey, I think it might be a birthday for Derek. I don't want to say it because I'm not 100% certain, but I have to spend an evening with yourself and Berner soon, and Brian McDade as well. Have a few tunes, lads. It'd be really great to see you guys. So many memories with you, Derek. Bogomil, thank you so much. John Corkery, great to see you, John. National Driving School, yes. Now, I did play that earlier. You just missed it. The music for a found harmonium. I did play it for you. Thanks, Sean. It is a great tune. Begley Legren, folks, unbelievable. French guitarist, what a player. What a player. The best. Martin McNeil, thank you. Martin does a fantastic show online. He's an amazing guitar player down in Essex, and singer as well. Does a great blues hour. Patty, thanks for playing. Right, on with the music. Let's see. Let's do an old classic, an old Begley and Cooney classic. I'm old now. Derek, you're not. Derek, I'm 46 now. Do you remember when we were both in Italy with Frankie? 20 years ago, I think. 20 years ago, maybe more. Just, so many memories with you, Mush. So many memories. Let's relive a couple of old great tunes, folks. The first one I'm going to play for you is a tune, of course, made famous by the one and only Begley and Cooney back in the day. This is funnily enough, it's actually an English tune. It's a tune that was written by John Dowland, or as Steve Cooney says, Sean a Dulain. And there's a great story that Steve tells about this tune. Those of us that grew up with Begley and Cooney, Derek, Berner, Brian McDade, and probably a few others on here as well. This is one of the staples of the Begley and Cooney repertoire. Lady Hunstan's Galliard. Sheila wants a Diamond Mountain. I'm just going to take a screenshot now and try and remember. Oh, Jesus, what have I done? Oh, God. Okay, I've done something funny here. Sheila wants a Diamond Mountain. Roy Fulton is in Oz. There was another request as well. John Melrose, you asked for a tune, and I've got to try and remember. But I'll do these first, folks, and then I shall do the Diamond, of course. And there was another request from Fergie and Oban, I think, for the sleeping tune. But I've got to work out, is that the Gordon Duncan one you want, Fergie? Anyway, so I'll start with this one. This is Lady Hunstan's Galliard. And after that, I should go into a tune that Seamus wrote for his daughter Maeve Begley, called the Top of Moll, I think. Okay, here we go. Absolutely. We love him, Brian. The best. Geez, I wouldn't be playing now if it wasn't for Steve Cooney. My hero. to see you, Brian. Okay, here we go. Oh! Don't tell Steve I did that one. Great to see you in Cunningham. Begley and Cooney. Dickon, you worked with the guys. The best days. Great to see you, Dickon. Hold on. I couldn't manage the second one. There's a great tune after it. Dickon, so great to see you, sir. I met Dickon Whitehead playing Dipping for Jim Murray in oh my god, in 2001 with the Sharon Shannon and the Woodchoppers tour. I had such a great time with Dickon. It's so great to see you, sir. Really great to see you. Yeah, the memories, Begley and Cooney. Oh my god, there'll never be another, I suppose. It's hard to accept that. But Steve, yeah, Sean wanted Master Crowley. Oh my God, Sean, I'll do my best. Les Brown, nice surprise to see you. Jesus, what is that noise? I'm so sorry, folks. That noise is. So I brought a carbon monoxide alarm. Now, don't worry, folks. It's not going off. Logie, I got this for the van for Mullet. Derek, we have to play something together, sir, with Burner. We have to do a night with Burner. Yeah, but that would be really great, Derek. If you and Burner were up for a night of reminiscing, wouldn't that be something? Sheila Gura Mahagaf, Logie. So yes, let's see now. Now, oh my God. Now Sheila asked for. There's been a few requests, and I feel bad. I'm getting some of my requests. I'm behind on my requests. Before I forget it, I'll try and play Master Crowley's. I'm a little bit nervous about this because I played this recently with the maestro of the one row, one of my favourite one row players in the world, Mr. Brondon Begley, the wild Begley, the wild man of the West. And he just, oh my God, well, to say he plays this is an understatement. He absolutely, oh my God, oh Jesus, Brian, you have to do that. What about a gig with Burner and Derek and myself? And you never know, maybe we can even persuade another player as well. Oh my Lord. Okay, I'll try my best. Master Crowley's, Jesus. Okay. It is folk, bonsoir. And then I promise I'll do Sheila's tune, The Diamond Mountain. So Master Crowley's. For being, oh my Lord, for being slightly out of practice, Sean. Jesus. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. I'm out of breath. Yeah, Master Crowley's, he does such a great version. Brendan does. Oh, my Lord. Cameron, what made you gravitate towards nylon strung guitars? Well, it's really funny. Do you know, Cameron? That's a great question. So I'm not classically trained, as you can probably tell from my mistakes. There was always a classical guitar in the house. Hi, Roy. Hi, Suzanne in Switzerland. Great to see you, Suzanne. And Mary O'Connell in Cork. Great to see you. Yeah, Cameron. Sorry, there was always a nylon string guitar. Good night to you, John. Sorry, thanks, Sean. Thanks a million. I promise I'll play it better as well, Sean. I'm a little bit rusty on the box. Not to mention nervous when I know Derek and Berner. Oh my God, I'm watching. Jesus, and God knows who else. Yeah, no, sorry, Cameron. Yeah. So, there was always a nylon guitar in the house. My dad's a guitarist, and there was always a classical guitar. And I got my first classical guitar around. I was messing around when I was kind of 12 or 13, and then when I was about 15, we went to see Begley and Cooney in London. No, sorry, we went to see Sharon Shannon, and Steve was playing guitar for Sharon at that time. Jerry O'Byrne had left the band. It was a gap between kind of Jerry O'Byrne and Donna Hennessy joining, and Steve, of course. Well, Steve, I suppose, had been playing with Sharon for years, but anyway, he was playing in London, and then it was that gig and the gig with Seamus Begley and Steve Cooney that made me realise, Cameron, that the nylon guitar was just what I wanted to do. And it's funny, I mean, I have a couple of steel strings, but I can't really play them. I just can't. It's just not me. It's bizarre. I wish I could, but the nylon is that. So that's kind of why I play them. The Bonnie Bunch of Roses, Derek. Oh Lord, is that? Jeez, that's a great tune, Derek. Derek, is that the same as the Factory Girl? I have to remember now. Derek, I tell you what, I'll play for you. While I remember the Bonnie Bunch of Roses, is Madden Loon Kinkisha. I play this one, Into the Diamond Mountain. Play the first one for Derek, the second one for Sheila Whelan, the Diamond Mountain, which was composed actually by Ian Carr, a fantastic guitarist from Newcastle in England. But Sharon Shannon made this tune famous, the Diamond Mountain, and you know what the Diamond Mountain is, of course, Connemara, Letterfrack. But this first one is Madden Loon Kinkisha. This is one I learned directly off the boys. In fact, I think Steve taught me this. Or did Seamus teach me this? I can't remember. Whit Monday morning. Morning, or the Madan Lewin Kinkisha. And I remember a mad story, folks. I was living in Mariuk. I just moved out of the Begley farm, and I was living in Mariuk in a place called Dunbrendan, which was owned by the aunt of my girlfriend at the time, who was the local doctor. And this is a long time ago, you know. And my God, I was walking on Mariuk Beach, and John Sanders, great guitarist from Kent as well, great friend, and he was living out there. And Seamus came round, and I'd been really sick with the flu, and I was listening to this tape. I couldn't stop listening to this tune, to that tune. It was Begley and Cooney, a tape that Steve had given me from a gig somewhere. I don't remember where it was. And do you know, Begley said that is today, the 1st of May, Whit Monday morning, Madan Lewin Kinkisha. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. And that was just really freaky. That was like Whit Monday morning, you know, 2004 or something like that. It was just really crazy. Francesco, Lawrence Nugent, Noreen Boyle. So Fergie McCabe, first instrument, box. First instrument was piano, Fergie, and then piano accordion at about 6. And to answer the question, Sean asked about the box. It's a sauterelle, Sean, but it's a sauterelle with a difference. It's been doctored a lot by the great John Brosnan, and I asked John to try and make it sound exactly like Seamus's Paolo Soprani, the grey box. And you know, I mean, of course, it will never sound as good as Begley's beloved Paolo, but I have to say it's pretty damn close for a sauterelle. It's a beautiful sound. It really is. Anyway, Sheila had asked for this tune, The Diamond Mountain. Let's play this for you, Sheila. So that was Madan Lewin Kinkisha, and then I shall get round to some more questions and tunes. Anyway, it's great to have your company, folks. Great to play for you tonight, and here's The Diamond Mountain. This, of course, was written by Ian Carr. Some really wacky chords. I hope I can play it. Play this for Sharon as well. That's the Diamond Mountain. Thanks to Sheila for requesting that. Oh my lord. Yeah, that's a great tune. Written by Ian Carr. Made famous by the great Sharon Shallett. Now, Fergie, I think you'd requested the sleeping tunes before, so I have to play that for you. Aha, yes, Sean McManus. Galliard with Paolo Reed's Lovely. This is a tune, folks, that kind of inspired the whole show back in the lockdown. The sleeping tunes by the late great Gordon Duncan, best bagpiper in the history of Scottish music. The Jimi Hendrix of the bagpipes. There's only two men that can kind of equal him, and that's Ross Ainsley and Ali Hutton. I think I'm fair enough to say that. I hope I don't get driven out of Scotland for saying that. But I think that's true. They were both taught by the great Gordon Duncan. And this is a heartbreaking tune that he actually wrote. Can you imagine it? On the bagpipes, the great Highland bagpipe, to get his son to sleep. So, I mean, that's like, you know, quite something. But it really, so I'll play it for you now, and sometimes I do sing. Sometimes I'll try and do one. Finley, lovely Edredur. Lovely whiskey. Gordon's Distillery. Phil. Sleeping Tunes, Sleeping Tune by the late great Gordon Duncan. Yeah, Ride On to Be Gorgeous. I will indeed play a bit of that as well, Sean. I'll try to. Yeah. So, folks, I hope you're enjoying it so far. Yeah, 40-piece band. That would be fantastic. Yo, welcome, Stephen. Okay, time for an old favourite. Another Django one for you, and this is a kind of new one. This is, yes, kind of a new one. Thanks for all the lovely comments, folks. Let's see. This is yeah. We'll give this a go. For any lovers of Django Reinhardt. This is one for Derek Hickey, Begley and Vetti. This is another one of my favourites, Derek. Oh my God! And if I can, I'll try and play the whole set. This is one of my favourite tunes. It's Begley and Vetti. It's a song, and it was a big part of the Begley and Cooney set. It was a big set. What was that thing, Derek? It was River of Sound. Another one that Steve taught me. The second part is especially kind of fiddly on the guitar, and I remember he showed me in London how to get that high position. And so play this for Derek and Steve. Steve is in Teelin, I think, tonight. And this breeding Vetti. Yeah, let's try this, Derek. This is a place. Oh Lord, Derek, great to see you. I mean, I wish we were here in person as well. Play this with you, sir. Jose as well. If Jose is watching, Josephine Begley, this is for you as well. And Dermot as well, and all of you, of course, sir. Now. Great to see you. indeed. We've got to do this one first for Derek. We're going to go to the polka now. Jesus, how can I do it? Jesus, that's a very old one. I haven't played that one for a long while. I was play that for Derek. Oh my God, Derek, we have to play that together. Oh Lord, that started with Begley and Vetti, which is a slow air, a song I think from West Kerry, and then we go into a, or they it was one of their killer sets, Begley and Cooney sets, one of their killer sets. They went into a jig, a polka, which I can never remember the name of. It's in Irish. I think it might be Peter O'More or something. And the second one is is a jig called Sweet Biddy Daly, and then they used to play a Scottish tune at the end called Far Frae Home, which I didn't manage there. But just such a great set, folks. Derek, I hope that was okay. Oh Lord, let's just see now. Check my my setup here. Something weird has happened. Yes, let me just check. Oh my God, yeah, Alistair Cassidy, don't you worry at all. A very late night last night with a gig, and I'm falling asleep. That is no problem. Pippa, Roy Fulton, thank you so much. Let me just check now what's happening with our system. There's always something, folks, with Pro Tools. I'm running my loop pedal and everything like through the Pro Tools Bavarian tunes. Jesus, we can certainly. Yes, I know what I did. Damn it, I know exactly what I did. I did this with McGoldrick. We were recording a record, myself and Mike McGoldrick, down in Gloucestershire, and Mike went out for a coffee. He went out for coffee, you know. I think he needed some peace and quiet, you know, because we'd been hard at it for hours, and with the gig, and the recording for this album we did called Jamland. Anyway, Mike went out and he says, why don't you have a listen to the stuff? So I said, yeah, of course, I'd love to, you know. So anyway, I'm having a listen, and I don't know how I did it, but I managed to delete the entire hard drive. And now this hard drive, folks, had our album on. It had an album with John McCusker and John Doyle, the great John Doyle McCusker. And it had an album, or tracks from an album with Mark Knopfler and about 5 other. It was just insane. And what I did on Pro Tools, you'll laugh at this now, Dermot, because you know Pro Tools. And I kind of force quit something, and in doing so, I corrupted some sort of file, and God knows what I did. But anyway, he came back. He was so calm, but I've never seen him look so worried. And he was so calm on me. I mean, some people could have throttled me, but he said, "What have you done?" I said, "Oh no, I haven't done anything," and deleted the whole hard drive. You know, if you see McGoldrick, ask him about it. It's so funny. It was not funny at the time, but we got it back. We managed to get it back. We rang Donald Shaw and Andrea Gobi, 2 Glasgow geniuses. Derek, thank you so much. Bavarian tunes. I tell you what I'll play, if you don't mind, folks, and I'll try and play the Little Bird for Roy, but I'm going to play you a tune, folks, something a bit different, a Bulgarian tune, which is near Bulgaria, Bavaria. Play this for you, Fergie. This is the tune I learned from the great Brendan Power, the harmonica king, the best harmonica player on this earth, and I don't care what anybody says. Brendan Power is the king, and nobody comes close to him, and I don't care what anyone says. Brendan Power is my favourite, and I'm going to play this tune. He taught me so much, and he taught me how to loop, and yeah, this is the tune Brendan taught me, and Brendan learnt this when he was in Riverdance, and it's a tune he learned from the fantastic Nikol Parov, and I think it's called Danutsku Hordo. The tunes over there sound rude, but they're really not. It's called Hordo. Don't say that too fast in Ireland or England. Begins with B. This is a great tune, folks, and I think I recorded this with Brendan on a record. He is, Sean, absolutely. I think I recorded this on a record called Wriggle and Rive. Now, somebody had asked, I think it was it a lovely lady called Siobhan or Sinead had asked for Give Me Your Hand. So I'll play the Cooney version of Give Me Your Hand before this, and then I'll go into the Brendan tune. I'm just going to open my Soixante, 4 1 2. Oh God, wish I'd done my French at school. What's 4 in French? 1 2 3 4. So 60. Oh Jesus, 1664. Oh, a typical Brit. Not being able to speak in French. I wish I could. Santé, and Sláinte. Thanks for all of you for joining me tonight. We haven't finished yet, and Abby Bowden has just joined. Abby, thanks a million. Stay awake. We'll do a couple more. Jennifer Pollard is there. Hi, Jennifer, and Fergie and Sean. Oh my God. That's the one. That's the one in its Quattro. And please forgive me, any French people watching. I'm from Kent originally, and we're very close to you guys. We're like, 17 nautical miles from Dover to Calais. I think, I think it's Wimereux is the closest spot. Karen, how are you doing? Play this for Karen as well. And Kathleen, okay, great to see you. Play this for you guys, Kathleen. We're going to start off with Cooney's version of Give Me Your Hand, off a record that Steve did recently, in fact, called The Music of the Lost Harpers. It's probably the best solo guitar album of any genre of music you will ever hear. So make sure you get it, and it really is tremendous. You can buy it from stevecooneymusic.com, I think. I learned this from Steve. And then I'm going to go into the Brendan Power tune, from Bulgaria. Folks, you're probably thinking, Jesus, he's drinking that fast. Well, it is non-alcoholic, I promise. It's a 0-0, so I'm banned now because of the heart medication. Okay, so here we go. Give me a hand into the Danutska Huro. Lovely. Adara. I remember it well. Burn. They did, Karen. Isn't it a great tune, folks? Chieftains 6, I think, or is it 5? Ooh. Bulgarian one. Cooney. For the bread and power tune, the Newt's Grow Hordo. Oh my god, I haven't played that for a long time. That was Danutsko Hordo, which is a tune that I learned from the amazing Brendan Power. Oh my god. Yeah, oh Lord, Alistair, thank you so much. Thank you, Howard, as well, and all of you. Oh my god, Karen and Hannah as well. So that was a bit of Bulgarian music. Oh Lord. Oh my god, after that I think I gotta calm myself down and play a little, play something a little familiar. Let's see. Of course, this time of night, Thank Kathleen, great to see you, and hopefully we get a tune and a song soon. Kathleen Sarsfield O'Shea is a fantastic flautist and singer and guitarist in London and Kerry. Do you know what I'm going to play? Yes. Don't worry, folks, I won't keep you up too late, but I've got to play this. So recently I was touring with the great JP Cormier, Fox Hunters. Oh my God, Karen. Oh my God. I shall try and I shall try and put that in, Karen, and not get asbowed. But first, I want to, Ines, thank you so much. Jesus, that's really, really, really kind of you, Ines. Thank you so much. I want to play a couple of tunes, folks. There's a couple in particular that I've got to play. 64 giving you wings. Exactly, John. I don't think I need the alcohol anymore. I'm banned from it. My cardiologist has said no way. No more alcohol at the moment. It's just interfering with the bisoprolol. I'm on quite a high dose of bisoprolol, like 15 milligrams a day, which if you look it up, that's quite a high dose. And yeah, it's not great. But sorry about Denmark. Yeah, so JP, you were amazing, Karen, as well. You really were. JP plays a set of tunes which we both learned from the fantastic Sharon Shannon. Sharon has a knack of, not only is she the most amazing musician and accordion player and fiddler, and she plays everything. But it is Fergie. But she has an amazing knack of arranging pieces of music, and you know, they don't have to be Celtic. They can be, you know, American or classical. She really is incredible at that. And she put these two bits of music together. The first one is called Cry of the Eagle, and the second one, of course, was written by the Lindsey Buckingham, the great guitarist from California. Fleetwood Mac's guitarist for a long time, and just the most phenomenal guitar player, Lindsey Buckingham. So this is Sharon's arrangement, and in fact Steve Cooney actually was the one who played guitar on that on that album. It's called Each Little Thing Is the Album, and this track was with Cooney and Donald Lunny. Is just absolutely gorgeous. Look it up tonight. It's just stunning. The guitar playing on it is just stunning. It's up with Lindsey, easy. You know, and I'm quite sure the two of them would know each other. They would have met each other, I'm sure, at some point back in the day. But yeah, so here we go. Never Going Back Again, the Sharon Shannon version, preceded by Cry of the Eagle. Brian, thanks a million. A couple more for you, and I promise I'll let you go to bed. Sláinte, cheers, and Sláinte va, if you're in Scotland, and this is such a great tune, folks. I hope I can play this. Innes, this is for you, sir, and all of you folks for watching, folks. Okay, here we go. JP Cormier's version. Here we go. California and Galway to two shores that I learned from Carlos Nunez and Rai Kuda. And we'll see if we get time for Hector after that. Close your eyes and come with me. To sunny Galicia. Tony! Great to see you, Donny. I love that little bird, Donny. Here we go. very brave now, folks, and play this. I don't know if I can play it, but I'm going to try my best. Thank you so much for tuning in tonight. What I learned from my dad many years ago. If you know, you know. Joni. Morning, Morgantown. Roy, thank you so much. Lovely. Chris. Another one just came into my mind just to finish off with. In this crazy world, folks. See if you remember this. Marlene. Oh, Jesus. Take two. Isn't that a lovely tune, folks? I recorded that again with Mike McGoldrick on an album I did called I Got Rhythm. Chris Brown. That's fantastic, Chris. Yeah, that's... Right, folks, I'll catch up on these messages after. Michelle Reeve, thank you so much. It's great to see you, folks. Byrne, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. You're a newcomer on the show, of course. And Fergie, yeah, I do have a few tunes running through the head. There's one of my... there's a tune... there's a tune, thanks Finley, great to see you, Finley. Oh, I wish everybody, we've done a good, it's hard to stop, folks, it's nearly, we could go to 1 o'clock. There's one tune, folks. Good night, Rebecca and Richard. There's a tune, folks, I've got to play you, and it's one I haven't played for a little while, and it's written by the great Steve Cooney, and it's a slow piece now. Of course, we're in the nighttime hour now. It's called With a Love That's True, or My Prayer. I'd love to play this for you, folks. It's a gorgeous tune of Steve's. So leave you with this one, and this is a piece, it's a piece of music composed by Steve Cooney. Of course, I recorded it with Steve on Tim for the Pope. Oh, I love it, Martin. Play this for you, Martin, and Angela as well. Yeah, this is, I recorded this for Cooney on an album called Sailing Over the Seventh String, here in Scotland, here in Perthshire. Here we go. that's true. Isn't that the most gorgeous tune, folks? Written by Steve Cooney. Thank you so much for watching tonight, folks. I've had such a great time. Texas, lovely to see you, Derica. Hopefully see you next week, folks. And I wish you a great Sunday. Ha ha ha! Good night, folks. Oikava, Ihawai, Bon nuit, and have a safe Sunday. And we'll see you again next week. This time next week, I hope, folks. Good night, Foggy. Good night, everyone.